Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this amazing math problem that is 5 power a plus 5 power a equal 100 and we have to find the value of a. So let's start with today's video solution. So the question is 5 power a plus 5 power a equal 100. So if I take 5 power a as common, so 1 plus 1 equal 100. Now 5 power a times 2 equal 100. So if I divide both sides by 2, so it's 5 power a equal 100 by 2, that is 50. Now I'm taking log on both sides. So log 5 power a equal log 50. So we can write this as a log 5 equal log 50. Now if I'll divide both sides by log 5, so this will cancel out. So a equal log 5, I can write it as 50 as 5 times 10 over log 5. A equal log a times b is log a plus log b over log 5. Now a equal log 5 over log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. Now a equal 1 plus log 10 with base 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.